Good afternoon to all of you. In a 3 days of exhaustive seminar, you have presented your paper on the different topic in the climatic change and sustainable development. It is the 8th national seminar by this institute, ISDR, and ISDR is continuously involving holding such seminar for the benefit of the research scholars, academicians, in particular for the well-being of the society. And different topics is being taken by this institute. And for this purpose, the institute is continuously engaged in such academic works and also involved in publishing journals for the benefit of the scholars and academicians. Also, that don't take very simple and easy step to come on this platform without preparing the full research paper and articles, because this is not better for you, but this is also not for the institute that you come on the platform from the different states and from the different universities to present your paper without preparing the paper in a full manner, in a full script. So you should come with the full preparation, full paper, and there is also a method to complete and publish your paper. So follow the method. Without having a proper method, without following the proper method, publishing such papers not yield good result. So there is a suggestion for you that whenever you come on this platform to present your paper, come with full preparation. Because some of you that you have presented that just coming with the one paper and with your mobile cell phone, it is not a good manner to present your paper in such a way. So whenever you are coming, this is my suggestion. Although you have made your effort to present your paper, and you have come from the different states and the universities, but this is my suggestion for the next seminar when you are coming. Come with the full preparation, and it should be in the relevant as per the theme of the seminar. Most of you have come from the different disciplines, and it is also a platform of interdisciplinary approach. Will be the interdisciplinary as per your discipline, but the public manner of publication, methods of publication and preparation of the research articles are same. I think methods, study areas, and so you should take a case study. Case study is very important in such a topic when you are delivering your lecture, when you are presenting your paper on such theme, climate change and sustainable development. Then it is a global problem, and it is a global topic, climatic change and sustainable development. But climatic change, the climatic region at the global level differs. It varies. There are different regions, climatic regions, and climatic change is taking place at the global level, and all the climatic regions, in all the climatic regions there is variations, there is fluctuations, there is change is taking place. It is at the micro level, from the micro level to the macro level. So you should focus your preparation, you should focus your research work, you should focus your research articles at the micro level, at the what changes is taking place and what you are suggesting for the betterment of that area. And then you will contribute yourself to have a better society, for the well-being of the society. So whenever you are coming on this platform to present your paper, to contribute, to share your knowledge, then you should have a good preparation. This is my suggestion for the next seminar, for the next platform where you are going to present your paper. So in the 3 days of exhaustive seminar, you have presented your paper. In the first day, I have seen some paper you have presented. In the second day also, 15 or 20 papers were presented. In that paper, Suresh Ji, his paper was climatic change and the arsenic problem, increasing arsenic problem. Really, it was a good research. Although he has not submitted his full paper here on this platform and in this institute, but whatever he has deliberated, whatever he has spoken by the cell phone and other, it was good. And he actually arsenic problem in all the districts of Jharkhand is a big problem. It is due to the lowering down of the water table in the granitic rocks in all the districts of the Jharkhand, as well as the subsoil water. There is also increase of arsenic in the subsoil water, and increasing arsenic in the water, creating a lot of problem, a lot of health problem to the people. And really such type of literature, such type of research articles is you are preparing, it will contribute a lot to the society and it will be highly beneficial, because a number of people in different districts are suffering from the several health problems due to the arsenic, increasing arsenic content in the water. And some of you also presented some paper related to the theme of the seminar. But my suggestion will be that you should come with full preparation, and then it will be beneficial for the institute also, and whatever you will prepare, it will be published in the next journal. But it should be exhaustive and with a case study too. The climatic change is a global problem, and as you have presented for that climatic change, the extreme climatic conditions, sometimes increase in the temperature and melting of the ice, creating leveling. It is what is happening due to the melting of ice. The water level in the oceans is increasing, and it is creating problems to the areas located in the coastal area, and a number of people are suffering from the problems created by change in the monsoon rhythm, and changing the amount of rainwater, increasing temperature, humidity, and wind system also. These are the problems, and ultimately these affecting the food security, although the human society at the various steps. So this is the problem, and in that situation, how sustainability be achieved? Because the climatic change, it is the natural phenomenon, natural occurrence, but who are responsible for the change of climate? Ultimately, this is the Anthropocene era, and in this Anthropocene era, human beings are more active, dominating over the nature, and it is due to the human effect, human effort, and human day by day increasing human dominating over the nature and creating problems. And this ultimately affecting the atmospheric conditions and the nature. And this is how the sustainable development be made for the coming generation. This is the challenge before us. Ki without harming the present condition, the state of the nature, we can share our resources as well as the climatic conditions to the coming generation. This is the challenge before this generation, because we are affecting the nature at a lot. So this was the theme. I was in the hope that several papers will come in this seminar, but not such papers not going to be held in the Department of Geography. It is with the association with the Association of Geographers Jharkhand and Bihar and Jharkhand, AGBJ, in the next year. And you are all invited with such papers to present your paper in the Department of Geography, and it will be your contribution. So our next step is to provide you the certificate by the institute